monkey and I like to rap. I can teach you that mighty ninja clap. So move your body and stomp your feet and clap your hands to the rhythm of my beat. Now you know what I'm looking for. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Come on. Awesome.
Funky monkey.
If you wanna pass level 1, you gotta do it while having some fun. But to be a master, you gotta practice with me. So let's clap together. Get ready. That's right. Awesome. Hey, that's pretty good. Your rhythm is tight. You gotta keep it up and doing it right. So let's try harder and practice more. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on.
Funky monkey.
Wow, you're doing great. You really got that style. And I hope that you will come back in a while. Now to earn your belt, you gotta show me that you can clap that mighty ninja clap. Here we go. Okay.
Funky monkey.
That's right. Come on. Again. That's right.
Funky monkey.
Yeah, you did it. High score. Congratulations. This belt is yours. Now you're ready for lesson 2. We can learn it together. Me and you. Yo, see you next time.